Hi 10th class students and competitive test takers. I am here explaining a beautiful problem for you. That is from statistics. Statistics deals with mean, median, mode. Especially I am explaining a problem for you related to median. I have written on the board. If the median of 60 observations, a total frequency given 60 is given below is 28.5, median given, total observations given and median also given. Already in table also given, class interval given, frequency given. Just he is asking you to find x and y. This is the question. For that, you can write this table in the vertical tabular form. First, you can go with class interval as it is, what is given in the question. Next, frequency as it is, you can write what is given in the question. 5 there, x there, 20 there, 15 there, y there, 5 there, total aggregate. Just you can find LCF. LCF means cumulative frequency distribution. From top to down, you can add total terms one by one. First, you can add 5. 5 plus x. 5 plus x. 5 plus x plus 20. You will get 25 plus x. Next, 25 plus x plus 15 is equal to 40 plus x. Next, 40 plus x plus y. 40 plus x plus y. Next, 5 with the 40. You can add them 45 plus x plus y. Now you can connect with median formula. What is the median formula? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now what is L? You can select from this table only. What is L? Lower boundary of the median class. Next N, total observations. Next CF, cumulative frequency. Already you select median class. Now preceding one is the CF. Now median class frequency you can take. Then H, the length between two boundaries. Lower boundary and upper boundary of the median class. Observations given right. Listen here, median also given. Median is equal to 28.5. Next observations given. What is that? 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Now x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. Transfer 45 that side becomes to minus because this side connected with the plus. 60 minus 45, 15. X plus y is equal to 15. This is equation 1. Next, n by 2. Total observation 60 by 2. 2 ones are 230 is equal to 30. Now the median is 28.5. That is between 20 and 30 only. Median is between 20 is less than or equal to 28.5 is less than or equal to 30. Between this. So you can think this is L, lower boundary, because median class that is. Next, frequency 20, F is equal to 20. Now CF is equal to cumulative frequency. Preceding class, that is 5 plus 6. Still what do you want? H. H is equal to upper boundary minus lower boundary of the median class. L you got. L is equal to what? 20. L there. Median there. N by 2. CF. What is the CF value? 5 plus x. Next h also there. You can substitute each and every term in the formula. Median 28.5 is equal to L20 plus n by 2, 60 by 2 minus CF 5 plus x by F20 into H10. Have you substituted? Once you listen, L given n by 2, n is equal to 60 by 2 minus CF, cumulative frequency preceding that median class frequency 5 plus x. Next, F is equal to 20, H is equal to 10. All given. You can simplify. 10 ones are 10 twos are 2 ones are 2 30s are 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 30 minus 5 plus into minus minus x by 2. Now this is 28.5 is equal to 20 plus 25 minus x by 2. Now interchange it. 28.5 20 you can bring this side is equal to 25 minus x by 2. This is 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x by 2. 2 you can transfer this side. 8.5 into 2 is equal to 25 minus x. 5 2s are 10. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17 is equal to 25 minus x. Here minus 25 plus 17 is equal to minus x. Minus 8 is equal to minus x. Both cancel, then x value you got. X is equal to how much? 8. You can substitute in first equation. What is the equation 1? Substitute in the equation 1. X plus y is equal to 15. Already you got x value, substitute here. Plus y is equal to 15. Then y is equal to 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Finally we got x is equal to 8, y is equal to 7. You can substitute here in the x and y. You can find the median. If you get 28.5, what you did, that is right. Look here. Already I said he is asking find the value of x and y. What is the x value? 8. What is the y value? 7. This is the given. Just you go and find LCF. Do you know how to find it? Next you can connect with the median. First LCF. To find this problem, find the x and y, you connect with the LCF. And you connect with the median formula. Median formula. Then you can go with the BODMAS. Finally you will be succeed. Please watch my channel, that is Hasni MLD.